Royal Enfield Interceptor, Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 and Continental GT 650 spotted in new two colors. The Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 and the Continental GT 650 are one of the most awaited bike in the Indian market. The Royal Enfield 650cc twins will be also available in the global market. Now the Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 and the Continental GT 650 has been spotted into new two colors. The new color schemes were spotted at a Royal Enfield dealership in Sydney, Australia. Both the Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 and the Continental GT 650 features a new dual tone color scheme. Both the bike look more premium in this new color scheme. The Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 is finished in a new dual tone red and white color, while the Royal Enfield Continental GT 650 sports a black and grey dual tone paint job. The fuel tank of the Continental GT 650 features a golden stripe. Apart from that, all the design elements remain the same. The Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 and the Continental GT 650 draws power from all new 647cc parallel twin oil-cooled fuel-injected engine producing 47 bhp and 52 Nm of torque. The engine is mated to a 6-speed gearbox assisted by a supplier clutch as standard. The Royal Enfield 650cc twins are equipped with telescopic forks up front and gas charge shock absorbers at the rear. Both the bikes get spoke wheels and disc brake at both the ends with ABS as standard. The motorcycles are expected to reach a top speed of 160 km per hour. The Royal Enfield 650cc twins will be launched in the Indian market by June 2018, while the global launch is expected to take place soon before the India launch. In fact, several export markets have already started receiving the motorcycle ahead of launch. Thoughts on the Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 and the Continental GT 650 new colors. The Royal Enfield 650cc twins are one of the much awaited bike in the Indian market. We expect the prices to be in the range of rupees 3 lakh to rupees 3.25 lakh ex showroom. The Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 and the Continental GT 650 is expected to rival the Harley Davidson 750 when launched in India.